In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Zoom with Google Calendar, allowing for seamless scheduling of meetings and events. By integrating these platforms, you can efficiently manage your time and ensure your meetings are well organized. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Zoom website. Once there, click on the Sign In button to access your account. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. After providing your credentials, go ahead and click Sign In again. Now that you're logged into your Zoom account, you'll want to head over to the My Account section. This is typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Once in your account, you'll see a variety of options available to you. Click on Settings to proceed. Within the settings, search for the Mail and Calendar section. You should see an option to configure calendar and contact service. Click on that link to start the integration process. Next, you'll need to select a service. From the list of options, choose Google. This will ensure that your Zoom events will sync directly with your Google Calendar. After selecting Google, you'll need to enable the right permissions and click on the Next button. At this point, you'll be asked to enter your Google account information. Use the email address associated with your Google Calendar and follow the prompts. Clicking Continue will allow Zoom to access your calendar. Make sure to read the permissions and agree to them before moving forward. Once you have completed the authorization process, return to the Zoom settings page. Head back into Mail and Calendar to verify that the sync was successful. Look for any indications that the connection is active. With Zoom and Google Calendar now connected, you can test the integration by scheduling a new meeting. Click on Meetings in the Zoom interface and select Schedule a Meeting. Fill in the necessary details such as the topic, date, time, and the guests you'd like to invite. After you've entered all the relevant information, click on Save to finalize the meeting. To ensure everything is properly synced, open Google Calendar and check if the Zoom meeting appears in your schedule. If it's there, congratulations, you've successfully integrated Zoom with Google Calendar. Don't forget to double check the meeting details within Google Calendar to make sure all the information transferred accurately. This integration will save you time and help keep your schedule organized so you can focus more on your meetings and less on manual scheduling. Thanks for following along and enjoy the seamless experience of having your schedules integrated across Zoom and Google Calendar.